If you want to qualify for some massive airdrops in 2024 and beyond, then you need to be staking Celestia tokens or TIA tokens. If you stake 10 to 20 TIA tokens today, there is a very good chance that you can qualify for some lucrative airdrops in the Celestia ecosystem. And it's very simple. You don't need to farm these airdrops. You don't need to go out and do a million transactions. All you need to do is buy some TIA tokens, or if you already have them in your wallet, great, and then stake them. Even though Celestia is a brand new ecosystem and token that just came out a few weeks ago, there's already been some announcements of airdrops for Celestia stakers, including Dimension and Movement Labs, both of which will be rewarding people that stake their TIA tokens. But that is just scratching the surface. There are many people that expect there could be dozens of Celestia airdrops this cycle, simply for having them in your wallet and for staking them. And in addition to getting all of the airdrops, of course, there is almost a 17% staking APR that you get rewarded with TIA tokens as well. Now, this is a slightly older snapshot of the Celestia ecosystem, but it's possible that many of these applications and protocols will airdrop Celestia stakers to reward people that are supporting the validation of the network, and also potentially Atom stakers, although that's a separate issue altogether. So you've got not only the wallets, including Kepler and Leap, both of which I have released tutorials for, including showing you how you can stake TIA tokens directly in the browser extension wallets. So for example, in this Kepler wallet here, I staked 20 TIA tokens, which are earning me a yield and will also probably qualify me for a number of airdrops. So what is the best strategy here to maximize exposure to the Celestia ecosystem and to maximize airdrop potential? Well, I do think that there is some benefit in staking with multiple wallets, and of course you have to decide how much you want to allocate to this, but by staking around 10 to 20 TIA tokens per wallet, although 20 is definitely on the safer side because the total value of that currently is over $200. And for example, with the Celestia airdrop itself, people were rewarded for staking Atom tokens, but if you just staked one token, you probably wouldn't qualify. You have to stake at least a reasonable amount. So that's why I think 10 to 20, although being closer to the 20 side is definitely good. Beyond that, it's honestly up for debate whether or not it's worth it to stake, for example, 100 tokens in a wallet, hoping that you qualify for a higher tier of airdrop, or to split that up amongst 5 wallets, because sometimes qualifying for the minimum airdrop 5 times could be more lucrative than qualifying for a slightly higher allocation with one wallet alone. And so for me personally, I've split my TIA tokens staked up amongst 4 different wallets, trying to maintain a reasonable balance in each of them so that hopefully I get through any filters of airdrops that weed out people that don't stake at least a minimum threshold amount. So that's how I'm playing the airdrop strategy for this Celestia ecosystem. However, I think that by holding and staking at least in one wallet, if not multiple wallets, could be a very lucrative endeavor for 2024. And if you manage to hit a number of airdrops on a number of wallets, then it could actually result in some pretty big airdrops coming through. And like I said, it's great because it's simple. It's just a one and done, set and forget. And the longer that you stake for and the larger amount that you stake, it's probably better for you. So hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. And if you can get to at least one wallet with the threshold amount that I discussed in this video, that would be a solid goal. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.